Hello everyone, so today I will be doing a video on nails. This will be the first time I'm using a poly gel set that I got from Amazon. So this is the actual kit that I got from Amazon. And so it pretty much has the instructions in the back, as you can see. I usually do regular polish, but I just started doing gel. So this is the kit that I will be actually using. It's a nail builder, so it has everything in the inside. So I just want to show you how it looks. This is how it looks. You have your stencil that looks like look like nails in here. Your little pamphlet, it tells you the directions how to do everything. You have a nail file, your brush to apply the solution and to fix the poly gel. And these are all the poly gels, different kinds. This one is a clear. This one is the bright white, natural pink, dark pink, light pink, and misty rose for this one right here. Here's your base gel and your top it off base, the one that goes on the very top. And also I will be using UV light. I got it from a local beauty store. You can also get it from Amazon as well. Those things I can list as well. This one is a 48 watt, which is pretty much good for you. I paid what, $89 for this? $89.99 for this. As you can see, it was pretty good. It actually works pretty good. So this is how it looks in the inside. I want to just show you that real quick before I get started. So it comes like this. You can pull it out. This is the charger. Comes wrapped up like this. So I'm just going to take it apart because I'm going to put it together now. And the UV light looks like this. Okay. And I'm just going to place that right here in front of me. And I'm going to plug this part up. And this is how it looks once it's plugged up. And the light comes on like that. Okay. All right. So I'm first going to go ahead and remove all the excess polish from my nail. So that's what I'm getting ready to do now. So I'll be using pure acetone. This one used to remove acrylic, gel polish, nail wrap, and nail polish. Okay? You can use this. Just make sure you remove everything off. You want to make sure there's no type. That was for the pinky. And now let's see. Next finger. Nope. And this one is a number 7. So let's see. Number 7 look like it would do. Oh. Keep forgetting, you guys. I have to fit the next side on it. Okay. I'm gonna secure it with the light. Just like I did with the one finger. All right, so it's now secure. Okay, now use a clear one again. Ooh, it's on there, you guys. It is on there. Oof. It's hard, but it's on there. Okay. It's hard. This one I'm just gonna file this part because let me see. A 7 looks pretty much good, the same as the other one. There's so many different ones in here, you guys. It's turning out pretty good. I think I might file this just a little bit more. Bring it a little closer in. Pop it off in the back. I'm just kind of like twisting it, giving it a little time to come off. Oof, came off. All right. Okay, so now I am letting it dry now from the top coat. As you can see, everything came out pretty good, you guys. I really like it. Look how it looks. Nice. And I usually like add another quote to it again. Came out pretty good for my first time doing polygel nails. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry again. So now I'm gonna go on the top and kind of file on top of the glitter again, because some of it be sticking out and it's not as smooth, so I'm just gonna make it smooth. So in this video, I'm just pretty much showing you how I did it with one hand, and I'm gonna do the other hand later. Yes, you guys, my first time doing polygel nails. Pretty good. I think I did a pretty good job. It's pretty easy. You just gotta have patience to sit down there and actually mold it together and put it together, you know. But it came out pretty good. I was a little nervous of how it was gonna turn out, but it came out good. Okay, after I finished buffing, not buffing it out, I mean filing on top of it the glitter to make it really smooth. I'm gonna go on top of it again to add a top coat. Then I'm gonna let it dry again in a UV light.